Hi, I'm Adam, the founder of EchoBid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an estimate. To start, you're going to want to open the project that you're working with. Scroll down and click the plus sign by estimates. The client is going to be pre-populated. You can edit or update this information. You'll have areas, line items, documents, notes, and options. Let's start with areas. This is a container for line items. You can apply a name, a description, and dimensions if applicable. Choose any existing line items or add new ones. But I've got a better way. We're going to use voice command. Voice command is an easy way to create areas or line items. Create an area, call it bedroom 1. It's 12 by 12 feet, 8 feet tall. I'd like to paint the walls, trim, and ceiling. There's also one door I'd like to paint. Submit that. It's like having an assistant on hand. You can tell them to do whatever you want, and they're going to come up with an area or a line item that's applicable to your prompt. Here we go. It's going to have a brief explanation of how that specific area was created, if you're interested. The name, the description, dimensions, if given, and line items. How do I know these line items are going to be accurate? Well, it's going to take your pre-existing line items that you had set up in settings. So they're always going to be spot on with what you saved. Now let's save this area. If you'd like to edit the area, click on the 3 dots next to that specific area you'd like to edit. Next, line items. This is how you're going to add any additional labor items or products. You can either choose from a list or create a new one. Let's choose products. Add a couple gallons of interior paint, some masking paper, and some tape. Save that. As you can see, our line items are listed here. Same as areas, you can click the 3 dots next to the specific line item you'd like to edit. Next up, documents. Let's add any documents that we have uploaded to EchoBid for this specific estimate. So we're going to need our service guarantee and our new client contract. Save that. Next up, enter any notes. That's pretty straightforward. You can enter any notes for the client. This will show up on the estimate. Options. How long this specific estimate is valid for, the discount or deposit. You're probably going to want to send this to the client now. So, scrolling up on the project, click Send. On mobile, you'll be able to text it. You can copy the project URL, generate an email automatically, or use one of your email templates. This is going to make it super easy to send all the project information to the client. That's it. You've created your first estimate. It's that easy. In the next episode, I'm going to take you through photo reports.